This tutorial is for those of you on our monthly and annual subscription plans that want to access the replays of the live online classes as well as other bonus videos. When you subscribed, you would have received an email with instructions to download our video app. And then once downloaded, the app would then appear on your phone, your tablet, or your iPad. So we're just going to go through what that looks like on your device and how to find the replays and the bonus videos on your cell phone, your iPad, or your tablet. So what we want to do is go to the app. I'm going to just hold this up here. So I'm just going to click on the app on my screen, and it actually opens the entire thing up completely. So if I just come in here very closely, I'll see if I can show this to you. The second option in on the bottom says programs. So what we want to do is click on programs. That's the second one in. And then what you will see is an entire listing of all the videos that are available to you on the app. Now, the list itself is alphabetical in order. And if you want to see the danceScape at home replays that we have on here, just basically scroll down until you see the ones that you want to access. So when we click on, I'm just going to do one of the danceScape at home ones. I'm just going to click on the title itself. Click on the title again. This is, you kind of get just a short form there for the actual program itself. Click on it again, and then you start to get the still of the video. To play the video, just press the arrow in the middle of the screen. That will start the video playing. And I've just flipped this to the side because that's going to be the best view I can get on my cell phone. That's going to give me the most screen coverage that I can have. If you want to stop it, just press again in the middle. That stops the video. And if you finish watching that one and you want to go back to the sequence, just press the arrow on the bottom of the screen. That takes you back to your previous page. You may need to back a few times just to get out of that, and we're back to the listing again. So really quite easy in terms of how to find this. Really, when you go to the main page, and I'll just go back to the main page, you're just looking for the second button on the bottom of the screen. Click on that. That will give you access to all of your videos that you have ready for you. All right, so if you have any questions about this tutorial, please feel free to email us at events@dancescape.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. All right, so thanks a lot, and we'll see you again in another tutorial.